people are, so that it's as convenient as possible, and you have as short lines as possible, because you don't want hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands, definitely not hundreds of thousands of people who are haven't eaten.
Please do not do something crazy.
You know, for long stretch, haven't had a good meal probably in 20 months.
No.
You don't want them all congregating around this one particular area. But the GHF is not designed to efficiently distribute humanitarian aid. Its design is explicitly for depopulating northern Gaza. Like, Netanyahu has said out loud that the goal of this organization
supposed to turn. Who are they gonna pull over? Me? That guy? Yes. God,
Yes! Yes! I'll pull that up.
dude, and I just like, what the fuck, man? Why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into one last time.
Yes! Oh, what a great fucking day. What a great fucking day. I'll pull up the footage.
Huh?
I'm pull up the footage.
Oh, you got it, huh?
When I get to your place, I'll pull it up.
Great. Dude, that scared the shit out of me.
Shit.
Where a story sounds fantastic until you have a chat. And I've been on both sides of it. I've had a client tell a story that sounded great, and by the way, the opposing counsel dismantled that story. I've also been in the bull, as opposed to where I'm goring the witness. So before you just buy hook, line, and sinker, remember, we have an adversarial system in America. If there's somebody talking about democracy and the Constitution, You can't just ignore the Sixth Amendment.
All right. What else, Mark or
Well,
Gary?
you know, there's another story that's fascinating, Jerry. Murder, right? You want to give us an update on this?
Yeah, so Adam, I'm not sure if you had heard or not, but it came out that he was involved in drug trafficking, that he had posited many months back.
The lawyer?
The lawyer whose son and wife were found murdered at one of their hunting estates, and the latest news this week is that he's going to be charged with murder.
You know, drugs, all roads lead to drugs. Like if you ever just have an acquaintance
Nice.
or something.
Nice.
And you
Nice.
know, you say, oh, we're friends with
Nice.
a widow, her husband was murdered.
Way to fucking go. Way to fucking go, you
Yeah, it's
fucking
always-
idiot.
The murdering is with the drugs.
I've always wondered how people did that.
It's just how it works.
It's. Well, I'm sitting in
Any
the
help
office.
here, buddy?
We're 2 blocks away from where that woman, the Olympian, was hit with the pipe by one of the inhabitants of the zombie apocalypse that is downtown Los Angeles. And some guy, I wish I had his name, I couldn't have shout out, ended up tackling him and holding him, the perp, until whatever.
I always wondered how people did that. There you fucking go. What a dumbass.